Hi, Jessie. How are you?
I'm good.
So, what is your favourite dish you've cooked up until now with ACALS?
My favorite one will have to be the chicken carbonara, or how you say it.
Hi, Gavin.
How are you?
What has been your favourite dish you have cooked here at ACALS?
I would say the butter chicken.
What do you like about the cooking classes at ACALS?
I get to learn different things about cooking, what's dangerous, what's not dangerous, and pretty much been around other people.
Cooking inspires me because I like to cook at home. I like to cook here, and one time I want to get probably my own restaurant maybe.
How does it make you feel coming into the classes?
Pretty good. Makes me feel good to come here and interact with everyone, and really like to talk to people and stuff.
It makes me happy that I'm around other people, learning to be more confident around other people and been around products in the kitchen.
What do you like about cooking?
It gives me experience working around knives and about being around the hot stove and anything to do with hot surfaces and that.
Mm-hmm.
I just like interacting with other clients and other people.
And if you love all of that about cooking, worst favourite thing about cooking? What do you not like about cooking?
Honestly, washing up. You have to scrape hard at all the burnt stuff and all the sticky stuff. It just gets in your hair and annoying.
Yeah. Thanks, Jessie. Thank you, Gavin.